The changes of kausaban is like the many of daghan. It is perfect kung wala narungan. The ladder nga hagdanan is like the front of atubangan. The delay of langan and the run of dagan feels like together sa dungan. Be strong sa kakusgan and speed up para mapaspasan. Cause if they caught you ikaw nadakpan, they will leave you kung ikaw ilahang biyaan. The bamboo of kawayan and the bamboo stick of tungan refers to the banana plantation of kasagingan. The banana with sugar and oil of saging minantikaan, and the fish with vinegar and some spices of inununan is like the fish on the stick of tinapanan. I know there is no learning kay walay nakatunan. I only make it for recreation of kalingawan, cause it's funny ang katawanan. But if your stomach ache kay sakit imong tiyan, just go to the grassy forest of Kalibunan, cause it is the universal toilet, Kalibangan.